We now know that physical activity can decrease the risk of chronic disease and stroke. Everybody knows to get 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise every week. Physical activity can decrease the risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and strokes. Physical activity can reduce the risk of breast cancer and stomach cancer and colon cancer. It can improve mental health, improve sleep, and decrease the risk of dementia. But many of us struggle to fit enough physical activity into our busy work schedules. However, all is not lost. Physical activity follows a dose-response relationship. The more you do, the more you benefit. So that even small amounts of physical activity have benefit. Every drop of physical activity can improve your health. That is good news for people who have difficulty fitting physical activity into their busy daily schedules. In cases such as that, you can fit physical activity and exercise into your work chores. You can start, for example, by limiting yourself to only a certain number of hours of sitting at your workplace. Start low and go slow so you don't become discouraged. Maybe start by limiting yourself to only 5 hours of sitting while at work. Every week, decrease the amount you sit by 1 hour. Eventually, you will be standing for the full 8 hours while at work. You can start by standing to answer the phone, taking short walk breaks during the day, or working at a standing desk. Use the furthest bathroom in the building. Take the stairs to the second floor, or walk the longest route to your colleague's office. Eventually, you can remove the chair completely from your workspace. And always hurry. Walking fast burns more calories than walking slow. The idea is to keep moving constantly. Standing burns 186 calories per hour compared to 139 calories per hour while sitting. If you drive to work, park at the furthest end of the parking lot and walk over the parking lot towards the building. If you use the bus, try getting off one bus stop earlier than your designated stop for your workplace and walk that distance to your office. You can form walking groups with your colleagues at work and walk around the parking lot or walk around the building at lunchtime. Even 15 minutes of walking every day after lunch can provide substantial benefits. Wearing an accelerometer or a pedometer at work can help you monitor your progress. There are many apps that you can download to a smartphone or watches that you can buy that can provide this information to you. Now, with these tips, your work and gym do not clash. And while you're at your gym, you're making your cash. I hope you liked this video. If you did, like and share with friends and family. You can support this channel by subscribing. Until the next video, stay healthy and stay safe.